Hello guys, so coming to our second part of differentiation. As you can see, I have already written down in board the various differentiation coefficient or derivatives that you need to remember to handle questions in physics and also the derivation in physics and chemistry. Chemistry, it will not be required much, but in physics, yes, it will be required a lot. Okay, so see, first of all, this is the minimum one that you need to learn. D x to the power n is any number, okay, n is any number, d x to the power n, not number, I would say integer, any integer, okay, x to the power n, d x to the power n by dx, okay, d x to the power n by dx. If this is the case, then the answer will be n x n minus 1. I'll just show you an example. If we want to differentiate, what happened to this? This was working fine. Okay, I'll just try to. Okay, now it is working. Okay. So dx square dx, if this is the case, n is 2, so 2 will write down, and here 2 minus 1, so 2x. Correct guys? Understood? So in case of x, I have already shown here. So in case of x, what happens? See, x means x to the power 1, so 1x 1 minus 1, that is x to the power 0, which is 1. Clear? Now what happens if it is a constant term? Suppose d5 by dx. Now just you only think what I explained about this term. What will be the change in output if I change the input, right? So if I change x, does it have any effect on 5? 5 remains 5. So because 5 is a constant. So any constant, if you differentiate, it will give you 0. There will be no change in this constant, right? There will be no change in this constant if you differentiate it with respect to x or anything else. So remember, another important relation is d constant dx is equal to 0. Clear guys? Important one, this one, d e to the power x, e means exponential, okay? d e to the power x, okay? This is basically natural e. So this will be required in your higher logarithms, very important. So e to the power x will be same. This doesn't change. Okay? Detailed derivation, why this is coming this, why this is coming this, why this are this, and all this are this. Everything will be dealt in maths class. There is a whole lot chapter of limits and continuity, differentiation from first principle, and all those things are there, will be dealt with. So at this moment, yes, you got to remember all these things. In fact, in life, you also have to remember all these things. Every time you are not going to derive all this, right? So this one you need to remember, very important. Log x का derivation करोगे तो आएगा 1 by x, ठीक है? Important ones only I have taken. I have not taken the whole lot. d a to the power x dx a to the power x log a, ठीक है? But in base it is not 10, it is e. Remember, this is also e. ठीक है? This is not log 10x. This is e. So if suppose I'll show you an important example, I'll take this one later on. Log x10, if I differentiate it, the answer will be something different. This is log x base e. Remember, this is not natural logarithm. Okay, clear guys, this one? Okay guys, so now coming to trigonometric function, this part will be super important for you for physics and chemistry both. Not in chemistry again, but physics के लिए तो trigonometric function is super important guys. So if you differentiate sin x with respect to x, answer is cos x. So it's just the complementary ones that are coming. Cos x को करोगे तो minus sin x आएगा, याद रखना है, ठीक है? Tan x sec square x, ठीक है guys? Now, so you just remember this one. This will have negative sign, ठीक है guys? Now if tan x is sec square x, then cot x should be cosec square x, but it will be negative, ठीक है? याद रहेगा? Sec x is positive, but cosec x is negative, ठीक है? एक को याद करो, दूसरा याद रहेगा, ठीक है? sec x is sec x tan x, ठीक है? Differentiate sec x with respect to x, you will get sec x tan x. Differentiate cosec x with respect to x, you will get minus cosec x cot x. Clear guys? So write them down, and for JEE guys, I think a list is given in your material, ठीक है? वो सब तो आपको याद करना है, नहीं भी लिखोगे तो उसमें है सब, but I will prefer that you write once, automatically याद हो जाता है. So we'll try to do some examples. as differentiation so that you get a fair amount of idea so how to deal with this kind of problems when it comes in physics. Okay, so we'll take some examples from a book. Okay. Two x to the power a minus 3 a to the power x plus c log x. ठीक है, you have to differentiate this is y, so you have to find out what is dy dx. ठीक है, clearly देखो, first of all you have to write it like this, just write it like this, dx minus d3 a to the power x by dx plus d c log x dx. ठीक है guys, so now this constant term you can bring outside because this constant term doesn't change, you can just bring outside, no problem is there. So 2d x to the power a dx minus 3d a to the power x dx plus c you can take out d log x dx. ठीक है guys, now after this, now this is x to the power a, so that means the answer is a x a minus 1. ठीक है, clear? Minus this one, you know what is the answer, a to the power x log a base e. ठीक है guys, clear? And this one log x का ये e है, ठीक है, c into 1 by x, that is c by x. ठीक है, clear? This is how to do the differentiations of these terms. I'll rub this. Now important one which I said I'll do, log 10x. Now see guys, you don't know how to differentiate this, so what you will first do, you will change this, you will change this like this, you know to do this, and you know that if you write this you can write this, correct? Change of base, nothing else, and this part is constant. ठीक है, so dy dx, ठीक है, this one goes out, d log x e dx. ठीक है guys, clear? So now you can do it, x 1 by x. ठीक है, sorry, this is 10. ठीक है, so hope you understood how to do all these things. This is a simple jugglery of mathematics, nothing else. Very important, this will be important for your physics, so please do this with real heart and soul so that you don't face any problem later on. बोलना नहीं इसका मैथमेटिक्स मालूम नहीं है इसलिए फिजिक्स नहीं कर पाएगा. ठीक है, I have taken this responsibility to teach you this thing so that it helps you in physics. So मेरा नाम मत दुआना आप लोग, ठीक है? So you can do this one, 2 log x base 3 minus e to the power 2 log x. Nice problem, very nice. 2 log x plus e to the power 2 plus x. Kindly you have to excuse me, somebody called me, I guess. Okay, I'll pause this. Sorry for the interruption, there was a call from one of your friends only. So this is basically y. So you need to find out dy dx. ठीक है guys. So see, you can do it in two ways. One is those who are very well conversant with differentiation, they will directly do this. कुछ problem नहीं आता उसका, ठीक है? But those who are not conversant, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा problem आएगा इसमें, तो उसके लिए better है you just differentiate it by parts. How? So you just consider this as y is equal to p minus q plus r. ठीक है? So dy dx is basically then dp dx minus dq dx plus dr dx. ठीक है guys? So now p, what is p? P is 2 log 3x. So let us do, sorry, what I'm doing guys, dp dx. So all you find out now. So you can write down 2, you can take outside, d log 3x dx. ठीक है? Now you have to change this, right? Already I have taught you. So log xe into log e3, and this part is constant, so we can take that outside dx. So this is 2 log e3, this is 1 by x. So ठीक है guys, I hope you have understood this and there is no problem with it, correct? So p का तो कर दिया, q का आप कर दोगे क्या? देखते हैं. q is equal to e to the power 2 log x. ठीक है? Now this is a little bit difficult, but ठीक है, कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. देखो, how to do this kind of thing. देखो, log x का अलग से मालूम है, e to the power x का अलग से मालूम है. So what I'll do is, I'll write log x, and in fact 2 log x is equal to z. ठीक है? So I can easily write e to the power z. ठीक है? q is equal to e to the power z, and I'll do dq dz is equal to e to the power z. ठीक है? dq dz is equal to e to the power z. Clear? Now here I'll do dz dx. Can I do that? I can easily do that. ये दो तो कांस्टेंट है, अलग से निकल जाएगा. by x है ना, log x का है ना, d log x by dx 2 by x. Clear? So now I need dq dx. What does that mean? Can't it be written like this, dq dz into dz dx? Splitting it, nothing else, substitution. So dq dz is e to the power z, that is this one, 2 log x into 2 by x. ठीक, q निकल गया. Now coming to r. R is equal to e to the power 2 plus x. So 2 plus x का तो हमको मालूम नहीं. I'll take 2 plus x as z. ठीक है? So I can write r is equal to e to the power z. So dr dz is equal to e to the power z. है ना? And there on I can easily find out dz dx. d2 dx is 0. dx is 1. ठीक है? And you have to find out dr dx. dr dx is nothing but dr dz into dz dx. ठीक है guys? So in this case dr dz is e to the power z, so you can write that 2 plus x and this is 1, so it doesn't matter. After this is done, you can just put it in this one. So understood? I hope. Interesting, very interesting, because when I started it, in fact now also I am feeling like doing all the problems from this book. ठीक है? But ठीक है यार, अभी फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री के लिए जितना चाहिए उतना ही करेंगे. Another important property of differentiation that will be required for you guys, I'll show you. Suppose it is said d1 by x by dx, then what will happen? Don't have to worry. This is basically nothing but dx to the power minus 1 by dx. So this is minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1. ठीक है? So minus 1, that is minus x, direct we can write, to the power x2. So this is basically minus 1 by x square. Correct? In physics, this kind of expressions will be very much vehement. So if you do d1 by 1 plus x dx, ठीक है? So in that case, how will you handle this one? 1 plus x, guys. So you can do it by parts. That is, take p is equal to 1 plus x. ठीक है? ये वाला है. So let 1 plus x is equal to z. So you can write 1 by z, and dp dz you can find out 1 by z square. ठीक है? Minus 1 by z square. And after that, here all you can find out dz dx is equal to 1. x का 1 आएगा, 1 का 0. After that, you can write down dp dx is equal to dp dz dx. So this is 1, doesn't matter. So this part will be 1. So baki part minus 1 by z square. Z is 1 plus x. Okay guys, clear? This is how you do differentiation. I'll show you another one, x e to the power x. So this is basically when two things are in multiplication form, how you do it. So see, if this is the case, suppose there is uv like this. In this case what we do is dy dx is equal to, first you take u dv dx, then you will take v du dx. This is the formula. So here dy dx is equal to x into d e to the power x dx plus e to the power x dx dx. So in that case this is basically x e to the power x e to the power x, and this is 1, right? Here guys, so you can practice one or more by yourself also. There will be some homeworks that will be given, that those are I think already there in elementary mathematics in Nutan. If it is not there, let me know, I'll give you some homework on this. So that's it on differentiation, the minimum part that you require, not much. Get it done, do some small problems, that will be enough for physics and chemistry. It will be dealt in lot other things in your mathematics chapter. After this, yes, we'll be bringing up the concept of integration, and the minimum integration that is required in case of physics and chemistry will be dealt with. Thank you guys. I'll be the differentiation.